Special Needs fails to comply with nearly 80% of its federal requirements. Those findings are from the U.S. Justice Department concerning the El Paso State Supported Living Center. The Justice Department found 21 confirmed cases of physical abuse and 5 cases of neglect. The center, which has a new director after the former director resigned back in July, says it's taking steps to correct the problems. El Paso State Representative Joe Pickett says many of the problems were brought to light when family members and those in the community started speaking out. He says the state needs a simple and effective plan.
We want to make sure that we put lasting changes in place, not just quick fixes, but changes, systematic changes that will improve the life of our residents.
I believe we're going to get resources and help, but it's the follow-up that's going to make this successful or not.
The settlement between the state and the U.S. Justice Department does not specify the consequences for not meeting the requirements laid out in the report, but Representative Pickett says consequences are exactly what the center needs.
We